I will take one sample image from here only. In order to get its histogram in Fiji, you need to click on Analyze and click on Histogram. You will get a histogram image. Now, what is a histogram? Histogram is a graph which tells us about the frequency of occurrence of any intensity level in an image. So here if you see, the left hand side is the original image and the right hand side is the image, the histogram for this particular image. In histogram, your x-axis is changing from 0 to 255 because our image is actually 8-bit image, and we know, if you recall, 8-bit image, it is k-bit. So 2 raised to k gives you level. So 2 raised to 8 is 256. So our levels should change from 0 to 255. Therefore, on x-axis, the lowest value is 0 and highest value is 255. Y-axis is actually, uh, it tells you about, it comes in two types. One way is to plot the probability of occurrence of one of the intensity value, or in other case, it can also be represented in terms of frequency. So here it looks like it is frequency. So if I click on this, now how many pixels are there in this image? That you can calculate just by multiplying the number of rows into number of columns. So 720 multiplied to 576, which will come out to be 414720. So this count is the total number of pixels available in the image. And out of those, how many are having the value 4? So here, if my, as you can see, when I'm going towards the horizontal scale, I'm going from 0 to highest is 255. So as you can see, from 255, if I keep on going down up till almost 222, this lower value is coming 0. This means that at 255 intensity level, what is the frequency of occurrence of 255 in the image? That is 0. If I keep on going down and down, at 219, you see, there is 1 pixel. If I keep on going towards the peak of this histogram, peak is coming somewhere around 162. So when my intensity value is 162, that value has occurred how many times? 6546 times. So if I want to calculate its probability, that would be 6546 divided by the total number of pixels in the image, which is 414720. So the appearance will remain the same, only the values, the scaling factor on the y-axis would change. Now, that means if one pixel is appearing more number of times, the value on y-axis would go higher. Remember, here there is no information about the position of that particular intensity value corresponding to image. The purpose of histogram to tell us about the exposure in the image. So you must have seen in many of the digital cameras, you see the histogram while taking the image only. So the person who is capturing image get to know about the exposure. So if it is underexposed or overexposed, you can change that way the lighting. If you click on list, you will get this count. So can you see? You have values which are changing from 0 to 255, and on right hand side, I'm getting the count. I want to give you one exercise on this. I will go to select and I will crop. So here when I'm selecting a square, you can see uh, in the Fiji toolbar, you can see X, Y, W and H. So that XY is telling me the starting point of my square, and this W and H is telling me the size of the rectangle that I'm trying to make. So now I have selected a square of size 6 cross 6. So now I will go to image and I'll click on crop. So this is my image. You can see these are the pixels that we got, and it is of size 6 cross 6. Now, you know the values are mostly in 160s. We want to reduce this number. So what can we do? We can simply go to image and up, multiply this image or divide, because it's, let's say we do it by 0.3. Let's see which is giving us more values. Okay, so now I again save this image as a text image. I'll just replace this and open this. Now your values are less in number. Now create its histogram, and we want answer in the form of, first would be intensity levels. If you have a 8-bit image, then you have to do it from, let's say, 0 to 7. But here, as it's a 8-bit image, so values are going from 0 to 255. So here you can only make available intensity values. So it is not at all compulsory that histogram should have all the intensity values available. Whatever are available, you plot. So here, how many intensities we have? 47, 48, 49 and 50, and write its frequency. Calculate. So if I want to see 47 is coming how many times, you just need to count occurrence of 47 in the image. So what will be probability? 7 by 36. Next would be 10 by 36. You write it in decimal. 13 by 36. And last would be 6 by 36. Select this image and go to analyze and click on histogram. Okay, so this is our histogram. Your minimum is at 47, maximum is at 50. I click list, and if I go to the range which is given to us, so 47 is 7, 48 is 10, 49 13 and 56. So this is called as histogram of image, which gives us information about the number of times one intensity value is available in a particular image. Question 1 was, 2 or more images can have same histogram. Yes, we can have. For example, if you have a checkerboard image and one image where half is white, half is black. But your histogram, the meaning of histogram is that we are looking at the number of pixels versus its frequency. We do not care about its distribution in the image. So yes, many images can have same histogram. The second question, can we create image from histogram? In order to create image, we need to have information about, if I am saying that this pixel number 50 is coming 60 times, but I don't have a clue about the location of this 50 intensity pixel corresponding to image plane or spatial coordinate. So because a histogram is not giving any of that information, it is impossible to create image looking at histogram.